A over 120 odd case file I got through in a whisper, and the agency have 97 over 10-year period. And nobody not talk about that.
That's because we have to work behind the scenes. You see, if the general public find out that we exist, that can make it harder for we infiltrate the criminals.
You know, sir, I realize we all help with the Integrity Commission too.
Yeah. Why I think Minister Delia come after us? You see, if we find out nothing shady about him, we can send our findings to commission, and them are going to draft him up for investigation.
That means the same thing we used to go on with Marcus Wallace.
The whole of them further away, because we're not on a political affiliation, and they can't press Mr. Mullins' button.
I wonder if the minister hear about Radcliffe.
I'm sure you hear about it, But you guess what? And the feds, them I get credit for the whole of that. Even though our boss is spearhead the operation.
It's a pity we can't make some of them something public.
I just saw it there. You know what I say? A 75 youths, me know, we get placed in a jobs but without serve time. But no, them a serve society and I do well.
And the agency responsible for that, right?
Mr. Mullins and Bossy especially.
And if I feel system alone, them in a prison I do a hard time.
Exactly. I have to show my gratitude and respect. Because Bossy try with me. And see me, huh?
Me too. Hey, talking about try with. Chase down big Pharma now.
I wouldn't say big Pharma, because I have a lot to learn. And I'm seem very impatient.
Well, it look like him uncle I got try keep him in line.
Yeah, man. He really want him to do the right thing, Especially the fact that his father never really in his life. So I might try to set him up the right way.
Yeah, he might try to set him up, yes? Him uncle all try to set him up Pharma too.
What? So I went from chef to farmer. And you say from farm to the table?
Well, look at you. Anyways, me and Bubbles go up there one day, yeah. I'ma call Chase one away to talk to him and ask him if he's good. Numbers come over now, and I tell me say, how good youth, and I tell Chase him for shoot him shot.
Can't believe the man still there. Man, I see a good man for you. Yeah, see.
If him ever know say me arrest him nephew, him change his mind.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Oh, then he don't know say Mr. Chase him and ask me if I tell him uncle about my secret yet. Like he want to have something over me.
You know, say him try that with me already. I tell the man say, him uncle don't know about my side of work. And the man I gonna ask me, why am I gonna get out of it? So I said to him, say, yo, this is not a request, bro. It's a something you have to do. You see me?
It look like he want to join Sean at the big house.
Same thing I tell him, But yeah, I realize him still have a scammer mentality, not fully gone. See? So I have to just see with him for now.
I only hope him stay up on the right path. I'm not go back in another life then.
Well, all we can do is hope.
You hear anything further about Celine?
You know, say Mr. Mullins and Bossy want to take her off of the grid. But them I try to find out who did I go in our system first.
So that means Mr. Mullins not think about the clean house again?
Nothing. Him not do that. Him just to make you know how serious it can get. You see that man and Bossy? Them are gonna always do anything to protect them agents.
That take a load off of me.
Them are gonna do the right thing, man. I just one thing though.
What that?
It look like she gone back deep with Carlton.
Deep, like assignment deep?
No. Relationship.
So, them they full out now.
Yeah. And it's gonna make it harder if I say it go.
You think she want to leave the agency?
Maybe. But we still have to ensure that she's safe. Because she has still our responsibility.
Oh, Mr. Monies think I try getting our system.
And that's the thing now. You don't know. But I must some other criminal enterprise. And it obviously as somebody connected to Tony.
Yeah, but you can't rule out the fact, say. Maybe the minister would have tried to.
You have a point, you know. Never did I pray that way. But Mr. Mullins on to it. So you may get the information and tell you.
Anybody a shadow ceiling?
Not at the moment. Because I have to pull all of the sleep for them off of frontline duty. Because of the investigation thing I want.
I'm worried.
Don't worry, man. She'll go alright.
I hope so.
Enough for work. How you and Karen?
We're good. Him keep me happy.
That is it. I know that your meds free up on the Roku thing there. You're supposed to feel extra free.
And me fi tell you, free like a bird. So what about you and Patsy?
That is another story to itself.
Our, don't tell me that she still a play hardball.
In some ways, she are focused now upon destiny. With me, she just had the basics.
So she still come over.
Yeah, but it feels different. She not stay over as much again. And everything a destiny. You know when two people just stay around each other because of the baby? I saw it for you.
Everything's so alright.
And one thing, you always I say that, you know?